Ikigai is a Japanese concept with ancient roots in philosophy. It encourages us to embrace the present moment and believe that we can find purpose and fulfillment in life by understanding what we love, what we are good at, what the world needs, and what we can be paid for. Each of these four components form the basis of Ikigai and can help us find greater balance and fulfillment. Let us explore further the story of Ikigai and uncover its secrets. Exploring the depths of Ikigai can help us discover a meaningful purpose in life. Ikigai is a Japanese concept that encourages understanding oneself and searching for a purpose and passion. It involves four elements: what you love, what you are good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. When these elements come together, the result is a life filled with purpose and satisfaction. Let's take a look into Ikigai and its underlying meaning. Identifying and understanding your interests, skills, and the world's needs can help you find fulfillment in life through the Japanese concept of Ikigai. Ikigai motivates you to explore your passions, recognize and use your talents, and find financial viability in meeting the world's needs. By better understanding these four elements, you can uncover your purpose in life and strive to achieve it. Self-reflection is the beginning of getting to know yourself better and discovering your Ikigai. Take a moment to evaluate what values, passions, and activities give you a sense of purpose. Explore different hobbies, professions, and experiences to uncover potential paths and interests. Experiment and put ideas into action to move closer to what you seek. Finding true satisfaction and fulfillment in life requires living with intention and purpose every day. Mindfulness is essential to cultivate a lifestyle that aligns with your Ikigai. Being part of a group of people with similar goals can help strengthen and foster your growth. To add more meaning to your journey, embracing new experiences and seeking adventures are great ways to start. Start living your Ikigai today. Ikigai is a powerful tool to help you recognize and understand how various elements of your life add up to the whole. It encourages you to align your life with your passions and purpose and use them to access a deep source of motivation and satisfaction. Practicing Ikigai can lead to improved mental, emotional, and physical well-being. It also fosters resilience and development, and helps you establish meaningful connections while contributing positively with your gifts and passions.